Chet Porter, MarineMax Savannah. I'm going to take a minute to walk through this 23 SPX Outboard from Sea Ray. It's a nice boat, and we'll take a couple seconds to check it out. So we have powered by the new V6 Mercury 200, which is a great new engine and a great power package for this boat. Moving up on the transom, you have plenty of storage in the walk-through here and a block-off door. And then your battery switch is conveniently located here, so you're not going into a separate hatch to try to get the boat started. Here at the transom, we have a battery switch, so you don't have to worry about going into a separate compartment to get the boat started. And then a large storage compartment where normally would be an inboard-outboard engine. So your tables are stored here, and plenty of room for chairs and water sports equipment. So nice area back there. And you also have this little flip-up seat, faces aft if you're at the beach. So continuing on, we have storage all around for a cooler here, storage in the corner, and then designated storage here for soft side cooler. Your table's already out here. Another storage compartment. Very nice captain's chairs and a passenger chair, both with flip-up thigh-rise seats. So it gets you up above the windshield, gives you a little better view. This boat, as you can see, is equipped with snap-in sea deck. You have a large floor storage compartment here. This boat also has the optional Simrad touchscreen GPS depth finder. So that really works nice around here for finding your way home. And up forward, there's a table mount here, and then you have storage for your anchor, and then storage for life jackets or whatnot. There's a full bow cover for up here, and then a tonneau cover that goes from the forward of the windshield back to the transom. Now this boat, the 23, is the first model that has a head. So there's a nice head compartment there that makes the day a little longer. This boat comes in a variety of colors, and we have different ones that are different locations. So if you have more information about this boat, contact us at MarineMax Savannah. Chet Porter, MarineMax Savannah, 912-897-9881. Thank you.